In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Gmail's new Gemini feature to draft emails effortlessly. Whether you're responding to a meeting request, writing a thank you note, or reaching out to a colleague, this tool can simplify your composition process. Let's dive in and explore how this works on your desktop. First, you'll want to open Gmail in your preferred web browser. You can use any browser, though Chrome often provides the smoothest integration. With Gmail loaded, you'll notice an inbox full of messages. Your eyes might immediately be drawn to the familiar Compose button. Go ahead and click on it to start a new email. Doing so will pop up a Compose window ready for your input. Now here's where the magic happens. In the Compose window, direct your attention to a special icon that looks like a star, or as it's often called, the Gemini icon. This is a feature that can make drafting emails much more efficient. Click on this icon and you'll see a side panel open on the right side of your screen. This panel is your workspace to create smart email drafts personalized to your needs. In this side panel, you've got the opportunity to unleash Gemini's capabilities by entering a prompt. This is essentially a succinct command or description of the email you want it to generate. For instance, you could type something like, "Draft a thank you email for my interview." Be specific with your prompt to ensure Gemini produces the most relevant and fitting draft for your needs. Once you've entered your prompt, it's time to let Gemini do its job. Click on the Create button to generate the email draft. This is the point where the feature will use its smart technology to analyze your prompt and construct a draft tailored to what you've requested. Within moments, you should see a well-structured email draft appear in the side panel. Now you have a couple of options. You can review the content Gemini has created to ensure it meets your expectations. If you feel the generated email is perfect or requires just a bit of tweaking, you can add it to your email draft with ease. Simply click on the Insert button and the generated content will populate your email draft automatically. This seamless integration helps save time and ensures you're communicating effectively. That wraps up our guide on using the Gemini feature in Gmail to craft professional emails quickly and easily. Remember, this tool is designed to be a reliable assistant, helping you compose emails that are both articulate and suitable for your intended audience. Don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts to see the diversity and range Gemini can offer in your day-to-day email communication. We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you, and make sure to check out our other videos for more handy tips like these.